Hey guys, today I'm showing you how to export your geometry nodes from Blender into Unreal Engine using a plugin called Altermesh. With Altermesh you can create different generated tools from blend files into Unreal Engine, which is shown in this short video from Altermesh. This is a really good example in my opinion. It's like a city where they can change the size, height and position. First we're going to be downloading Altermesh. So you scroll down to Altermesh Personal, pay what you want, and then you click 0 here if you want the free version. I already did this step, so this is what you're gonna see if you click your email here. And then you can choose which version, and probably you will get Unreal Engine 5, which is the latest version. So when you're done and have this folder, Altermesh, extracted to your computer, you will go into your Epic Games folder with the library, and you will click on your project, right click on your project. Let's take this one, show in folder, and then you need to make a new folder and put in plugin or plugins if you don't have that. And then you just go into this folder and drag in your Altermesh into the plugins. After that you can start your project, and you will get this pop-up, thank you for downloading Altermesh Personal. Just click yes. Once you're in your project, you will need to go to project settings, and you will write in Altermesh. And here is an important step. You need to choose the file to your Blender folder. Uh, so you can click just Blender here. So go into your Blender folder and click the Blender launcher, and then you're done. You can update here too. Okay, now we can go into Blender, and you can choose your geometry node slash mesh, and then you click save as. Let's put fence 2. Doesn't really matter where you save this. Alright, and then you will need to drag in your let's first make a folder here. There's no need to make a folder, but easier to know where your mesh Altermesh is. And then you just drag your Blender node in, and this is okay. It worked, but you can get an error here. It can get stuck on the loading screen, and when I restarted the program, it worked. But I hope you don't get this error. If you do, I think you need to try to reinstall the program, or maybe it could be a problem with your project settings. So look at your executable path if it's wrong, and please ask any questions in the comment field and I can try to help you. Alright, let's try our Altermesh. Alright, looks like it works. And here is my settings from my nodes, my geo nodes. Let's try it out. Now if you look at the mesh, you can see it changes. Here's the height, horizontal poles, yeah, looks like it works. Nice. I hope you find this useful and that you will start to use Altermesh with Unreal Engine. I think it's a really useful tool for many things. Please leave a like and comment if you like the video.